hands. Who here has had Kelly as a teacher? Keep those hands up. Who here has ever had a poem of theirs critiqued by Kelly or gotten feedback on a poem? So I just want to say tonight, Kelly, you're the author of this new book, but you're the author of so many more works that are represented by all of the faces here. So thank you.
I think one of the most common mistakes made about artists is that they're doing what they're doing because it's entertaining, or pretty. And if you ask the artist involved, you'll find out that there's a lot more on the line. It is, in fact, an organizing principle for their lives. They're working something out. They're making sense of something. It might even be their own conspicuous hand in the maintenance of their sanity. And Kelly Grace Thomas is writing urgently. She's writing because she has to.
What I've come across is kind people that have provided me reassurance, that have provided me opportunity, that have provided me a marble universe of a place that I can call home. And the shining beacon of somebody that exists in that world is none other than Kelly Grace Thomas.
So when she said that she has, being involved with poetry and Get Lit has helped create her, I'm like, Kelly, you helped create Get Lit. And there are no words, but I'm just grateful for your ferocity and your immense love, and you're so loyal. Thank you for everything.
I think that we have people in our lives who are there to push us, and I think we have people in our lives who are there to hold us and stop us sometimes. And Kelly is one of the people that, as much as she can push you, if there's ever a moment where you need to be stopped and held, she's there just as hard.
Yeah.
So, thank you, Kelly.
What I want you to imagine when you think about the work is a chain, just endless, of young women feeling seen and empowered and creating, because that's what Kelly Grace Thomas does.